What's up, guys? In this video we're going to be going over imports, what they are, how they can be used, and just the basics of them. Anyways, let's get started. So we have import, right? Which import is basically a statement you use to import a module. A module is basically just a Python file, so anything that ends in .py, right? So we can import time, which is a Python module or a file, and we want to import something from it, right? So in this case we're just importing the file, but we don't want to run the whole file, right? We want some functionality. So first we'll go ahead and do a print statement, right? And we'll just say hello. Then we'll go ahead and do time dot sleep, right? But as you can see, there were a bunch of other functions here, right? So sleep is one of them, and of course sleep is basically kind of what it sounds like. It makes the computer delay its execution until a given period of time. The field is seconds, right? So whatever number you put in here is going to be in terms of seconds. So we'll go and do hello again, save that, run that. We can see hello again doesn't print out. It waits 5 seconds and then it prints it out again, right? So another thing you can do is from time import sleep, right? So if you want to only import a specific function from the time module, then you can just call it, right? The only thing is, though, is that when you say from time, it's calling that module and it's saying from that file we want to import sleep. So the rest of the file you don't have to include, you just have to call sleep, and if we save and run that, it will run and print hello. See, but if we did add time, right, if we save and run that, it's actually going to throw an error. So that's what I mean. When you say from time or from whatever file, don't include that file. Only include it when you import the file. You can also do from time import everything, right? So the star means everything. And when you do that, you can also do, strf time sleep, and it will also work hello 5 seconds and hello again. So another thing you can do is you can rename the function you're importing, right? So from time import sleep as, so the as keyword is what allows you to rename it, right? So in this case we'll just do a simple example called bedtime, right? And we'll whatever you rename the function as has to be the function or the name that you call, right? So we've renamed sleep to bedtime, so we have to use bedtime. And just to show this, we'll say it's bedtime, right? So we'll save, we'll run that, and then it says hello, waits 5 seconds, and then it prints out it's bedtime, right? So the other thing is you can use your own Python modules or Python files, right? So in this case, I already made a file here. It's just going to be example py. That's where we're actually going to run this stuff, right? But so you create a function, right? In this case, we're just going to create hello. Don't worry about functions either. We'll cover that in the next video. I'm just kind of adding this on. You don't even need to know this to do imports of, like, a lot of files are already built in the Python library. So yeah, either way, so all we're going to have this file do is print hello, right? So let me actually save that. And then what we can do is import state, right? And then we can call it dot, right? Because we want to access that function, which is hello. So if we save and run this, we can see that it prints out hello. And, you know, like anything you change in here, it will change it when you call it, right? So, hello, it's me again. So that's just kind of the basics of import. You can use the standard library, which has so many already installed that I wouldn't even be able to cover them in one video. So definitely look those up if you're interested. And you can also make your own, which is great. And we'll be covering some stuff with imports later on. So I wanted to cover this first. In the next video, we'll be covering functions. And yeah, go ahead and hit that like button, comment if you have any questions, and also hit that subscribe button. And until next time.